Car Story research indicates this vehicle as rare to see this model for sale in your area. Features also include rear view camera, towing package, steering wheel controls, high beam assist. Stop by and take a look at the 2023 Maverick. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, all-wheel drive, electronic stability control, trailer brake controller, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, MP3 player, low tire pressure warning, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.